We are bringing you a home in one of the finest neighborhoods of Pickering. This home is located steps to the top-rated Valley View Public School, Highway 401, smart centers, walking distance to the Duffin Height Trails, Pickering Golf Course, and Durham Transit bus stop. Welcome to this modern and upgraded two-story semi-detached home with 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms and a single car garage. Let's take a look inside. This gorgeous home has a great layout with a separate living, dining and a large family room. The open concept living room features gleaming hardwood floors, newly installed pot lights, gas fireplace and lots of windows with natural sunlight. Check out this stunning kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, backsplash and a separate breakfast area with walkout to backyard. This home has some awesome features such as the second floor oversized family room with vaulted ceilings and large windows with California shutters. The second floor also features 3 good-sized bedrooms with the primary retreat featuring a walk-in closet and a newly upgraded 5-piece ensuite. Guys, check out this large backyard, fully interlocked, perfect for your summer get-togethers. Let's take a look.